Hey there, YouTubers. Jim from Ohio here with another video. If you'll remember, those of you that have followed my channel for a while, this is a chicken coop that I built about 10 years ago, maybe 11 years ago. But this was actually the second video that I posted on YouTube was the introduction and construction of this chicken coop. And this has held up over the years. Now, we have not had chickens in it in the last 5 or 6 years. We got rid of our chickens a number of years back when we had a couple family members that were ill, and it was more important to spend time taking care of them. And so we sent the chickens away to another farm, and they lived out the rest of their lives happily. But I just wanted to mention that the video that I posted on this chicken coop was quite popular. I had well over 1 million views on it, and a lot of people contacted me and they did something similar. Most of them copied this design exactly. But I just wanted to show everybody how well it has held up over the years. We have occasionally touched it up with paint, but that's really all that we've done to this thing. The wood has held up, the screening that we use, the hardware cloth screening with the 1/4-inch holes, or maybe they're 1/2-inch holes. I think they're 1/2-inch holes. This has held up very well. The foundation that it's on has held up and remained nice and level. And we had chickens in it for a number of years, and at one time we did have a yard or a fence around this so that when the chickens, when we had a nice day, we would let the chickens out of the coop. We have had a little bit of warping with some of the wood take place over the years, and I think that that's just natural for when you use pressure treated lumber that's wet when you build. It does kind of shrink or bow over time, and I think that's normal. But for the most part, everything is held up really nicely. We do have some weeds growing in there. Now, there were no weeds in there when the chickens were in there, I can guarantee that. But really, I have never replaced anything at all on this chicken coop. The wood has held up really well. Even the board, the ladder that the chickens use to climb in and out each day has held up. Now, we are storing a bunch of stuff in it now, some buckets from our bucket garden that we've had over the years. But inside, same thing. Everything's still in good shape. Everything's nice and solid. It is, like I said, it's held up very well over the years. So those of you who have watched my video, the original couple videos that were out on this chicken coop, I'd like to just say thank you for watching. As I mentioned, this will be the last video that I do on this chicken coop, since we've recently purchased a new house and we'll be moving on to greener pastures. But we probably do have chickens again in our future, and if so, because we like this design so much, we'll probably go ahead and just build another one like it. If I do that, I will, rather than just posting pictures of the build process, a lot of people have asked if I could do a video, a construction video of building one of these, and I've never had a need to do that because I just didn't need a second one. But if I do decide to do that, there is a video in the future coming up with the construction of one of these, so you can follow along for that build. Well, thanks for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate if you click that subscribe button down below and maybe give me a thumbs up to like this video. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.